Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, now I'm showing you a king size cot, a double bed, a storage bed. This is standard king size 72 by 78 inches mattress area. So 6 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area is a king size that we talk about. Now the height of this back is 5.5 feet and the front part is 28 inches high till this point from the ground. And this one is with storage. Storage means the box part that we have in the middle. Now this box is made for a mattress of 8 inches high. So the area you see here is quite clear. This is for a thicker mattress than the regular one. And it has got hydraulic installed for easy opening and easy closing. Once you have the mattress with the weight of it, it would be easy to close. Now this is a teak wood, antique gold paint, and very beautiful and nice design. This one is going to Bangalore, and the work you can see, a beautiful work along with the nice design of this cot that you see here. It has got a very nice light color leatherette with the quilting work on the back and with diamonds in place. When we talk about double beds, this kind of designs are a lot preferred in royal beds because this has got a blend of Victorian as well as contemporary designs. The quilting at the back gives it the contemporary look that you always love because this is very comfortable as well as very contemporary. Similarly, on the front part, you have that same cushioning work that you see here. Along with this set, if you want side table, dressing table, or a room chair, or a TV unit, this can be done along with this as per your requirement. And if you are using any mattress that is thicker than 8 inches, it's better to go without storage. So we'll get you the side putties and in the frame inside, so you can keep a higher mattress on this one. The design, you can see a very nice design with the kind of work, the hand work that you see and the golden work. And finally we get an output like this. Any changes in fabric color or in the color of the unit, let us know. We can do that for you. Hope you like the design. A few comments of yours. Thank you.